Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. On Wednesday 3rd of October, let's have a look at Eurodollar, which has started to recover to an extent. They had that test on Eurodollar yesterday whereby the market sort of dropped away, tested that key support around 15 big figure, those old lows of May and June. Got broken in August, but then started to come back in again in September, and so taking that as a key level on a near to medium term basis, whereby if you broke below 15 big figure, I think you're looking at 13 big figure, but held on to that 15.05 level, which was the the May low, 15.04 yesterday's to the pip, but rebounded to an extent today. And it's interesting that you've started to already see the momentum indicators just take account of that. RSI sort of hovering around that 40 level still. MACD lines still above neutral. So I mean, you've had that swing lower. If the market can just now start to build support, it'll be interesting buying opportunity, I think, ultimately on Eurodollar. You can see that sort of creeping through into the hourly chart as well, where you've had the last sort of 4 or 5 sessions where you've got this run of lower highs, lower lows, and you've started to build a higher low at 15.35. Market sort of pushing above initial resistance. Now it needs to get above the 16.50 level. Really, that's the pivot on the hourly chart over the last 4 or 5 weeks, about 16.50, and initially you're looking at 16.20, 16.30, which is the sort of rally highs from earlier this week. So you've got the improvement that is coming through. You've got a slight positive divergence on certainly the MACD lines, but arguably on the RSI as well. RSI on the hourly back above 60 in the last hour or so. That sort of has not really been seen throughout the selling pressure. So it's just, there is a bit of a sea change that we are seeing on this Eurodollar chart in the hourly, and it certainly looks as though the market is beginning to sort of turn a corner. And now if the market uses sort of a little slip that we've had in the last couple of hours as another chance to buy and build support again, then that would be again adding to the improvement that we've got in the market. You've got that sort of minor pivot around 15.60 area. Those old lows became a resistance yesterday, but are now broken above that, and if that becomes supportive, then that again adds to the improvement of the outlook. So interesting movements on Eurodollar at the moment, and potential for a recovery. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.